Stir-fried eggs and tomatoes. Welcome to another episode of Food Beyond Its Nutrition. Guys, this dish is delicious and very, very, very easy to make.
Okay guys, the sauce. To create the sauce for this delicious dish, we need a tablespoon and a half of tomato ketchup. We're going to need half a tablespoon of pure sesame oil. We're going to need a tablespoon of sugar, a tablespoon of mirin or rice wine vinegar will do also. We're going to use half a tablespoon of light soy sauce, and we're going to use half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. And what you do, guys, is you kind of mix that all together, as I've done here. You mix this all together so the sauce is all prepped and ready to go. Okay, all right. For the actual eggs, here I have 3 eggs, and they're 3 actually large eggs.
In the bowl, I actually have about 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil. I showed the mirin there, but it's sesame oil. And I have half a tablespoon of light soy sauce.
And this really is just to season the eggs. And I have 3 eggs here. I'm going to beat those. And of course, we're going to do the omelette first. I have my onions, and these are red onions. Use red onions or shallots. It really adds to the color. But if you don't have them, hey, use what you got. I've got 3 spring onions here, and I've divided the white parts, and the tops, the greens. I have, of course, the tomatoes. That's the star of the show. I've got some garlic, and I didn't have any cilantro, so I just chopped up a little bit of parsley. And this is everything that you're going to need to make this absolutely delicious dish. Okay, so we're going to beat the eggs. Give them a nice whisk up.
The first thing that we're going to do is create our omelette, which is an integral part of this dish. We're going to do this in a smoking hot wok, and then from there we're going to take it out and then cook off the rest of the vegetables.
Okay, so you heat the wok till it's smoking. You can see it's smoking, right? So you add a bit of oil to the wok, and then give it, a couple of seconds or so to get hot. And that's what you're looking for. All right, so give it a little mix, and into the middle. There you go. And watch it bubble up around the sides. That's what you're looking for. And we're just going to move this like this. Fill that space. Move it like that. Fill that space. Keep on moving it. This isn't made like your traditional, like a traditional omelette, like a French omelette, if you will. So, you're looking for color. There you go. So we're going to cook this almost all the way there. Okay. Right, and then we're going to remove that. We're going to put that onto a plate. Alrighty. Leave the smoke on the side. And the first thing I'm going to put in is the onions. And this really goes very quickly, guys. So I'm going to put it in the red onions. Some of the white got in, but that's okay. It'll be going in here shortly anyway. Just soften those ever so slightly. Very good. We're going to put these in, the whites in. Alrighty. We're going to add just a tad more oil, just a little bit more oil. Let that get nice and hot. Then we're going to add the tomatoes. Garlic. The green onion tops. And put the egg back on top. We're going to add the sauce, the pre-mixed sauce that we made. We're going to pour that around the edge and over the egg. Alrighty. That's what you're looking for, that sizzle. Break this up a little bit, let it finish cooking. Doing its thing. And that, my friends, is a wrap. That is it, in a nutshell. That's it. That's good. I'm going to put a little bit of the yay. That's it. Tomato eggs. Easy, quick, delicious. Done.
This simple recipe for stir-fried eggs and tomatoes and much, much more can be found on foodbeyonditsnutrition.com.